Choose the correct article. He is blank honest man. The correct answer is option A, N. Fill in the blank with the right preposition. She is good blank math. The correct answer is option B, at. Pick the correct form. She blank to the market every day. The correct answer is option B, goes. Identify the correct sentence. The correct answer is option B, he plays well. Choose the correct conjunction. She waited blank he arrived. The correct answer is option D, until. Fill in the blank. He will come blank Monday. The correct answer is option B, on. Choose the correct tense. They blank completed the project. The correct answer is option A. Identify the correct adjective. This is a blank building. The correct answer is option A, tall. Choose the correct sentence structure. The correct answer is option A, can you help me? Fill in the blank. She is interested blank learning French. The correct answer is option B, in. Pick the correct spelling. Choose the correct blank. The correct answer is option B. Choose the right adverb. He completed the work blank. The correct answer is option B, carefully. Fill in the blank. This is the blank book I've read. The correct answer is option C, most interesting. Choose the correct article. Blank moon is beautiful tonight. The correct answer is option C, the. Choose the correct verb form. She blank already finished. The correct answer is option B, has. Identify the correct pronoun. Blank are the winners of the game. The correct answer is option A, they. Fill in the blank. The cat is hiding blank the table. The correct answer is option C, under. Choose the correct form, she blank, to read novels. The correct answer is option A, likes. Identify the comparative degree, this hill is blank than that one. The correct answer is option B, taller. Fill in the blank with a preposition, I am proud blank you. The correct answer is option C, of. Choose the correct conjunction, he was tired, blank he kept working. The correct answer is option A, but. Choose the correct sentence, she blank be home by now. The correct answer is option C, must. Fill in the blank, she blank going to the market. The correct answer is option C, is. Pick the correct spelling, I need your blank on this matter. The correct answer is option B, opinion. Choose the correct form, they blanked to the concert last night. The correct answer is option A, went. Fill in the blank, this is the blank day of my life. The correct answer is option C, best. Choose the correct tense, they blank for 3 hours. The correct answer is option B, waited. Choose the correct article, blank Eiffel Tower is in Paris. The correct answer is option C, the. Choose the correct sentence structure, can I borrow a pen? The correct answer is option A, can I borrow a pen? Identify the correct word, she is blank than her sister. The correct answer is option C. Fill in the blank, he lives blank the corner house. The correct answer is option B, in. Choose the correct tense, he blank by the time we reached. The correct answer is option D, had left. Identify the noun in this sentence, the dog barked loudly. The correct answer is option A, dog. Choose the correct sentence. I saw a blank of cows in the field. Choose the correct conjunction. I will call you blank I get home. The correct answer is option A, when. Choose the right form. She blank be very talented. The correct answer is option D, all of these. Fill in the blank. He is blank than his brother. The correct answer is option B, taller. Identify the verb. The children are playing in the garden. The correct answer is option C, playing. Fill in the blank. The blank we learn, the better. The correct answer is option B, more. Pick the correct article. She is blank university professor. The correct answer is option A. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel IQS Quiz for more fun quizzes like this, and see you in the next video.